this is life or death with a dog like this.
She keeps her hackles up and she keeps her tail up and she'll just move around the room like whining. How long do we hold on to dogs if we're not making progress with them necessarily?
We got to make sure that she can progress. So let's just see if we can break through with her so we can help her out. Because you can see, like, if I move fast, she would probably try to nip me because she's very, very, very nervous. Just because they're rescued or just because some really bad person did something to them, it doesn't handicap them for life.